Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now today we are in Falmouth in Trelawney and we're going to be showing you a new development or a new upcoming development in the community of Wiltshire called Caladium. Now this is a very small development with only 8 units. So these 8 units will all be townhouses. They will be 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouses, and the units will come with porcelain tiles, quartz countertop and solar. There will also be a pool. The house size of these units will be approximately 1,200 square feet. Now prices. The prices have been listed in US dollars, Jamaican dollars, Canadian dollars and British pounds. So prices in US dollars are 297,000 US dollars. In Jamaican dollars, that's 45.7 million Jamaican dollars. Canadian dollars, it's 378,342 Canadian dollars. And in pounds, that's 227,510 Great British pounds. Now, as always, we like to show you the drive up. Guys, this development is literally on the border of Trelawney and Montego Bay, as you'll see in the video. These units are being sold pre-development. So guys, they've literally just broken ground, as you'll see. They're preparing the land, but these units are being sold pre-development. So once we've had a look at the drive and the area, we'll be showing you some of the pictures and the computerized image of what the development is expected to look like. Now guys, before I go, just another quick reminder, remember I am not the realtor, so I have no, I'm impartial. I just find the developments and put them out there for you guys to see, and of course you guys are the judge. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Yeah.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.